There are so many ways to add friends to the Rednote app. Today I'm going to show you a whole bunch. So stick close and let's do it. Okay, so we're on our explore page and we want to add some friends. So the first thing you want to go ahead and do is if you tap on the explore option over here, you can actually use your location to see if there's anyone actually in your location that you can actually follow or become friends with. The next thing you can actually do is any one of the content items that you see over here, once you actually tap on one of the content items, like just for example, I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to tap on this one over here. Just want to drop the volume here slightly. So once you actually tap on it, you'll actually be able to follow this person right over here. They'll become one of your friends. So you can literally just tap on the follow button. One of the other ways is going to the follow tab right at the top. You'll actually see that you can actually follow a bunch of people right from over here. And now this is just suggestions, okay? You can see just over here that is also people that you may be interested in. You can go ahead and directly from here, you can literally just tap on follow. One of the other things you can do is to add actual friends that you may actually know is the three lines on the top left hand side. You're going to go and click on discover friends, and here you'll have the option to discover friends from your contact list. So if you tap on contacts, it'll look through your contact list and see who else is using the Rednote app. You can also go ahead and use the QR code option. So if somebody wants to just scan your QR code, they will then become your friend. And there we go. There's a bunch of different ways and also some suggestions over here as to who to add as friends on Rednote.